Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you the ingredients that I use to make some coconut chickpea curry, starting off with some onions, curry powder, some garlic that I minced, olive oil, as well as some additional seasonings such as complete seasoning, paprika powder, all of that. Everything will be listed in the description box. And we can't forget the star of the show, which is the chickpeas. Later on, you're going to see how I drained all that water and, made it into this wonderful dish. Spinach, as well as the coconut cream, which was really good. Like I mentioned earlier, we have to strain that water and rinse it. Whenever you're eating anything out of a can, it's just best to rinse it to remove, all that additional sodium that's used. And a trick that I learned while making this dish is to boil the chickpeas so they can be a little bit softer. I don't know if you've ever tried it or not, but it's usually a little bit too firm. So a trick that I use is just boiling it just for a few minutes. The instructions will also be listed in the description box. And this was me testing out to make sure that it wasn't as firm, that it was as soft as I liked it. This is an additional step that you can do. It's up to you, but I like to remove, the spinach leaves that aren't too appealing. That's just my preference. You don't have to do it, but it's just an extra step that I use. And you can't forget to wash your spinach. You don't know what your spinach been through, baby. Wash it. And now we are going to go ahead and add that olive oil to our hot pan. We're going to ensure that we heat up or cook down, I should say, our onions, add the minced garlic to the pot. And yeah, we're going to stir that, baby. Sorry, I'm getting all this steam up in your face. So after it's cooked, I'm going to add the spinach to the pot. Spinach doesn't take too long to cook. So this wasn't a hard part at all. After that, I'm going to add the chickpeas. And I'm telling you, like I said, boil your chickpeas. It's going to be so much better. It won't be as firm. I made it before and it was a little too firm. Add all those seasonings to the pot and we're going to stir that baby. Look, I got to zoom in for you. I got to zoom in. Look at how beautiful and colorful that looks. I'm telling you, you won't regret this. It doesn't take too long to make and it's very high in fiber. So we have to add the curry after that. Give it a good mixing, stir it up, add that coconut cream. And if you are a fan of coconut, you're really going to love this. It's not too overpowering or anything. It's perfect. So after that, I'm going to give it a good stirring some more. Make sure everything is mixed up. Cover it up. And let me tell you something. Why did I forget to add the tomatoes, y'all? I'm so embarrassed. I was like, I got to add the tomatoes. Added the tomatoes to the pot. And voila, this is what we came out with. It's so good. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it alone. But I enjoyed making this dish. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.